everyone, I wanted to share with you a great AI tool for teachers to use called Brisk Teaching. This tool is really fantastic because it is truly an AI assistant for teachers. It helps you create assignments, give feedback, and just increase your productivity overall when looking at student assignments. To get started with this, you would need to go to the Chrome Web Store, and in Extensions, you're going to search for Brisk Teaching. Over here on the right then, you would add this Chrome extension. I already have it, so that's why it says remove from Chrome. Up here then is your little puzzle piece. Once you have it added, then you can come over to where it says Brisk Teaching. Any that I liked, I end up pinning so that I have easy and quick access. You will need to sign in and create an account. I'm showing you the free educator account right now, so this is not something that I purchased. I'm just using what's already available to me. So what I want to focus on today is how you can add some feedback to student assignments. So here I have an example of a midterm essay that was given to a student, and they wrote their essay here, and now I want to provide feedback. So what I would do is I'd come up here to my Brisk icon. You can see down here I already have it turned on. So if you click and then click again, you can see that it pops up there and you can go ahead and use it. So I'm already logged in here. If you weren't logged in, it would prompt you with this. First it's telling me I have my free plan, but also to log in. So if I click that again, then I have this little pop out that is working with my Google Doc here. And for this one, again, you can see there's tons of different options, but I want to give feedback. So for here, I'm going to click the give feedback. You can see the targeted is an Educator Pro, so I can't use that. You could use glow and grow, areas of strength, growth, and then probing questions for students if this is maybe a rough draft. Next steps, suggestions for the next steps, strategies to build up on some of the core skills, so you can use that one. In this case, I want to grade it, so I'm going to use rubric criteria. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. Now that I'm in here, I need to make sure my grade level is set correctly. I am going to use a rubric criteria here. I already had one in there, so let me just add that again. It looks like this. So here's my rubric. I'm going to select that. And then I have one here that I downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So the rubric criteria, this is actually the Google Doc with a rubric that's pretty extensive that I have here. And then I just did a quick file and then download as a PDF. Save that right to my desktop so then I could upload it here. So once I have that in there, it already has my framework of what I'm scoring the students on. And then all you have to do is select Brisk it. So here I go, I'm going to Brisk it, and what it's doing is taking my rubric and taking the student essay, and it's matching all these components up, and then it's creating some feedback. So if you take a look, like this first section here, introduction, contextualization, and thesis statement, that is the first section that I have here. And then I have my different categories. Now it doesn't exactly put it into that category, but I at least have some framework here of feedback that I could give this student. And if I don't agree with this, then I'm not going to include that. So you could just from here copy and paste this and then make a comment on a student essay like you normally would. You could copy everything and then paste this wherever you'd like, or you could insert this. I'm going to show you that. So when you insert it, it gives you those categories and then some of the feedback. So of course I could add things to this. I could put a score in here, add a column with a score. So it just is automatically going to insert in there. And then if I came back over here, I could do that again, or I could, update some things in there, make it a little bit more specific if I need to. But otherwise, this might just be a great starting point for you, so you're not overwhelmed with so much grading. I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.